This session, we are going to create a story by consuming the analytical model created in Datasphere. Now we are in SAC. Let's create a story. Just go to stories, select any one of this like responsive or canvas. Once you are here, let's drag a chart. So it's going to ask you to select the source. So let's go to Datasphere. Under that, we have space. Inside that, our folder. Let's go to models. Select our analytical model. Okay. Now, right side, you can see my analytical model and the builder plane. So here, the default chart is selected as bar column and the chart orientation is horizontal. Sorry. Now, we can add some dimensions by clicking on add dimension. Let's add some dimensions. Let's take transaction date and product ID. Click on somewhere so that my transaction date and product ID is added. Also click on the measures. Let's select one measure revenue. Okay, now you can see the chart. And under the transaction date, you can go to filter by member. If you expand all, we have 2022 and 2023. Let's select only 2022 and see for 2022 how the revenue per products. And now, if you remember, we want to see the top 10 revenue generating products. So if I here it's showing all the products. If you want to see top 10 or top, like if you click on this three dots, you'll get more options. Under the rank, you can see top 10. You can give 10. You see the top 10 revenue generating products here. Now you can adjust the size of this chart by dragging. The chart orientation is vertical. Let's change this to horizontal. So we can see the product descriptions here. Because if I want to show like ID and description, let's adjust the chart first. Now I can see the product description clearly. And if you want to show the ID, you can click on here. You can see display options. You can either show ID, description, or both. Let's click on ID and description. I think the description should be better. Okay. So this is one of our business requirement where we consumed our analytical model and created top 10 revenue generating products here. I hope you understood how to create a story in SAC by consuming models from the SAP Datasphere. That's all for this session. Thank you. I'll see you in the next session.